Hello all, I Rahul Jadhav, Assistant Professor, Department of ENTC, ASSMS IOIT. Welcome you all in this video lecture on function overloading in C++. Basically, function overloading is part of polymorphism. What is polymorphism? It means having many forms. In simple words, we can define polymorphism as ability of a message to be displayed in more than one form. That means one thing can be defined or it can be used in multiple ways. In polymorphism, there are basically two types: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. So you can see this chart. Polymorphism is basically having two types: compile time and runtime. In compile time, again we have two types, that is function overloading and operator overloading. And in runtime polymorphism, we have the example of virtual functions. So today we'll discuss about function overloading. So as you can see from this diagram, it is a type of polymorphism which is compile time polymorphism. So this type of polymorphism is achieved by function overloading or operator overloading. So in function overloading, when there are multiple functions with the same name but different parameters, then these functions are said to be overloaded. That means in one class you can have multiple functions with the same name, but you can use different arguments for that functions. So just take this example. If I have this class function overload, so in this class you can see there are three different functions, or there are three functions with the same name as func, or so this is the name of a function. Now you can see different arguments are passed to the same function. That means the function with the same name, but they have different arguments. So in first function you can see there is one parameter which is of type integer. For second, there is one argument but its type is double. And for third function, function name is same, but there are two arguments with two integers arguments are passed to that functions. So here you can see a same function is defined multiple times, but their arguments or list of variables are different, or their types and the list of variables are different. So this is example of function overloading. Now whenever we create objects in the main function, and when you call the function, let us see, I have created object 1, obj1, and now I am calling a function by passing argument 17. So here you can see 17 is an integer variable, so it will call the function which is having one parameter with integer as an argument. That is the first function it will call. In second case, it will call the second func function, and in third case, as we are passing two arguments, it will call the third function. So this is example of function overloading. That means we can have multiple functions with the same name but different list of arguments with different data types. So this is the concept of function overloading in C++. Thank you.